or
and whether
Hornet.
you were 8 in 1984, 1994, 2004, 2024, the Grasshopper has been around.
Has always been around.
I did a little bit of a post this week about the Grasshopper.
Yeah, your special black edition.
And it's got a bit of traction. Let's put, like, where did your RC adventure start? And for many of us, it was a Grasshopper. And whether you were 8 in 1984, 1994, 2004, or 2024, the Grasshopper has been around.
Has always been around.
41 years.
And you remember
42 years.
We were on the official Tamiya 40 years of Grasshopper video.
Yep, commemorating the Grasshopper and the Hornet.
Yep.
So really, really cool. So I won't go as far as unboxing it and everything because it's
already boxed.
It's a very basic kit. If you're going to get into RC or you want to experience it for yourself and you never have, I highly recommend a Grasshopper, to the point where
this is your one.
I was 45 when I built my first one.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Yep.
And it is exactly the same as the one in the box, but it's black with yellow wheels.
But you got a Pine Beach Raceway motor though.
I do have a Pine Beach from Norrisan, my man. And I've got some special TFG American silicon wire on there.
Yeah.
Which I love. Adds a bit of splash of color.
Yeah.
And to be honest, I don't really like the black body shell, but I do like the yellow wheels.
Yep.
And the fact that it matches perfectly with my J-Spec stickers. No?
Yep.
I think it's good. And I didn't go as far as to cut the GR off of the rear sticker.
Yeah.
Like you wanted me to.
I did want you to do that.
I should have.
Yeah, you should have. It's much funnier if it says Grasshopper. There's just no getting around that.
No, I know, right? But it's really cool. I really enjoy it. And it has been to the track for a few laps. And I'm looking for, it's not a race car.
No, it's just.
But it's a fun car. And that's what RC is. I don't care who you are, what age you are.
Didn't we try and run this around the pump track at the velodrome?
We did.
It was awful, I think.
I think, it was got a lot of bumps there.
Yeah.
Which I want to look at. But yeah, I think what I might do in the future is actually get a Hornet Evo and just stick this body and wheels on it.
Yeah. I think that's an idea.
I think that's be an idea, right?
Needs to be done.
Talking of Hornet Evos, I'm eagerly awaiting a Lunchbox Evo. And I can't believe they're not here.
Yeah.
Tamiya Australia, pull your finger out, because I'm getting excited for that.
So
the rest of the world's got them.
Yeah,
I'm sure of it. The rest of the world.
Certainly they've got them in Japan.
They've got them in Europe or England. I've seen them. The YouTubers.
I could contact some of my friends in Japan.
The Japanese have got them because the Chon Magi guys are all over them.
Yeah.
And they're loving them. They're rating them. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting one.
I should message John.
Because I want to get one. I want to get it on the track and I want to compare it to the old one.